Hello everyone, how to do it? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Mindsync AI for the editor application. So first of all, you need to make sure that this app is installed in your device. Then tap on the open button. Then you can get here the outfits like this. Mindsync is loading now. Creating, reimaging, evolve artistry with AI, the slogan or motto of this app. So you need to wait. So now you have to choose the language, which language you know very well. So I'm just going to choose on the English and then tap on the mark button. Then you can see they said you need to sign up, and you can get here. I'm just going to tap on the get started. So I'm just going to tap on the allow. So that's all. So this way you can uh, you don't need to create your account. So now you can start using this app. Like you can get here AI art and AI tool. Here you'll get AI tool like photo expand, enhance, remove object. So AI art, like if you want to get the image like this model or avatar, then I'm just going to choose this one, free use, and allow all. Now I'm just going to choose on my. So now here you can see you have to customize it and then tap on the generate. So just wait, loading. So it's generating now. You will get a image like them. So you need to wait, just wait to get the result. So you can create your images or art this way. So you can say how it looks like. It looks so pretty amazing without any editing, without any app, and it's totally free. If you want to get more feature, then you have to choose the other thing here and then tap on the download. So this way you can use a Mindsync AI for the editor app. So today's no man, see you in the next video.